Customer needs emotional safety, and that's where they open up. Hi people, welcome back to your channel Dream for Journey with Arpita. This is your host Arpita, and today we are going to talk about Q3 of series 2, the sales psychology between an agent and a customer. So today we are going to talk about how the emotional safety that you create around the customer or in that conversation leads you to get to know your customer more about his travel plans, about his budget and everything. So usually what happens is customer becomes more honest when they know or when they feel that the conversation is emotionally safe. They will not be vulnerable, or people will not take advantage of their vulnerability. So basically what happens is you would have realized some agents actually know a lot about customer, like what kind of budget they have in their mind, what kind of leaves have they applied for, and whether they are going it for the first time, or whether there's a family event, a family reunion, friends reunion, or they're just going for a party, you are going to meet your girlfriend or wife or whatever. So you would know that certain agents actually know more about the customer. At the same time, there are a lot of other agents who do not even know like what is the travel concern that this customer has, whether he has a certain budget in mind or not, because one conversation was emotionally secured and safe and the other conversation was not. And when the conversation is not emotionally safe, the customer will not open to you. Like for an example, the customer talks about that right now they're just comparing the fare. Now, when they say that they're just comparing the fare, or when they talk about that I am not yet decided on the dates, I am just checking what it would be in the market. What happens is when certain things are spoken in a manner, when the customer is trying to judge you or the conversation, at the same time when the agent approaches this particular statement, that in fact right now this is the best time that you should be booking the ticket, because right now we have a promo going on, or we just have the last 2 seats or 3 seats, or maybe this is the best season to go. At the same time, if there is another agent, or especially if like it's me, I would rather approach this conversation as, okay, if you're comparing fares, so can I know what dates are you planning for, or do we have some flexibility, like a month or 2, so that I can give you fares accordingly, so that you can compare. You see, that was the emotional safety net that I created around the customer. So here what happens is, the customer will not hide his emotions. Then he would say that this I am actually nervous because it's my parents' first time they are going. Like I had a customer who said that his mother is suffering from dementia and she is going, so he's a little worried about if the assistance will be provided at the airport or not. So that is what I'm trying to tell you, that if you create that emotional safety net around the customer, he would be more open to you. So your cue number 3 is build an atmosphere where the customer is responding more honestly rather than on surface level. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment, and we will meet again in the video 4 with the Q4 of series 2. Thank you so much.